Hi, my name is Lesa. I am from Ukraine. My question is how old is your shirt? I have two shirts. This shirt is not very new, maybe from last year. This shirt is 1 year old. This is a jacket. This jacket is new. This jacket is from 2 months ago. Uh, I change my style a lot. I change my style often, and I buy a lot of new clothes. But if material is good, if the shirt looks good, I wear it for a long time.